Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson in this Tricentis test automation playlist. Now, in this particular session, we are going to look at how we can create a shared agent. So if you want to run your playlist in parallel across different agents, then you need to create a shared agent and need to set it up. Now, the shared agents, they are available to all the users within the same organization, and we can set up a maximum of 20 shared agents which can be used to execute a different playlist in parallel by different users across the organization. So let's see how we can create and set up the shared agents. So for this, we need to go to the agents tab. Okay, so click here, and here you will see all the different agents which are already set up. Now these agents are of type private. Okay, so if you want to make your private agent as your shared agent, then you need to make sure that it is not already running in the background. Also, it is not recommended to make your private agent as your shared agent because the user will be able to access all the files and directories within the system. So it's not recommended. You should keep your private agent separate, and then you should be setting up different shared agents where you can execute your playlist. Okay. So the next step is to click on add new. We want to add a shared agent. Okay, so we need to provide a name, and if you leave the field empty, then the machine name and username will be used by default. Okay, so I'm going to call this agent one, and then there are two settings. One is keep the display on while agent is running. Now this is enabled by default. So what this will do is it will not allow the operating system to go to sleep or lock it, because then your execution will not run, right? So this settings needs to be turned on. Also, if you want the agent to take screenshots, okay, of your agent from time to time, then you can also enable this, and then it will keep on taking screenshot at some time intervals. So click on next. Now, this is the characteristics where we can provide some tags which specify what kind of the agent is like. Okay, so for example, if this agent contains the Chrome browser with a specific Windows version, or it contains a specific Chrome version which you want to run on. So like this, you can create different agents with different characteristics. Now, based on this characteristics, the agent will be picked up and the playlist will be executed on that particular agent. Okay. So for example, we want to run our playlist on a Chrome browser. So we want the agent to have the Chrome browser, right? So I will say browser and then Chrome. So this is our characteristics, right? And then we can also add multiple characteristics. Okay, so if I say operating system, and then I will say Windows Server. Okay, so these are the two characteristics, browser and operating system. And then I click on next. Now we need the launcher to install a shared agent. Okay, so we have already done that. If not, you can do it from here as well. Now the shared agent needs two command line input. And so we need to open the command prompt, and then we need to copy and paste these two commands there. Okay, so I'm going to open the command prompt here. Okay, so let's copy the first command and come here and then paste it here and then keep enter. And now we need to copy the client secret into the CLI. So come here and then we need to enter the client secret and hit enter. Okay, so now it is going to download the agent, and then it is going to install it on this particular shared agent. So the agent will be successfully installed, and then it will be started. Okay. Okay, so now you can see in the logs, it is sending state update to server, and then it is requesting live view data from the server as well, right? So now you can see on the agents page, I have got one shared agent. The type is shared and the connection status is connected. Okay, it is showing the characteristics here. So it is showing our characteristics plus whatever characteristics is present by default. Okay, and until and unless I keep this agent window open, so this will remain connected. As soon as I close this, this particular connection status will be disconnected. Okay, so this is my shared agent, and if I log in from any other machine like my private agent, then also this agent will be shown as connected, okay, to all the users which belong to my organization. And I can create 20 different agents like this. So this is how you create different shared agents which has got different characteristics. And these characteristics are nothing but your different softwares or different operating systems and different configurations which are required to run your tests. After this, you can run your playlist across different agents in parallel, depending on the characteristics which that playlist contains. And then the agent will be picked up based on that characteristic. That's all for this particular video. If you have any questions, then please leave it in the comments. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.